Hello everyone, welcome back to the my YouTube channel. Today I am excited to share my latest project, a Python-based Jarvis AI Assistant. This project is a personal assistant application inspired by the AI technologies. It's capable of performing various tasks like responding to voice command, fetching data, and automatic simple tasks. This assistant is developed using the Python and integrated various libraries like speech recognition and APIs for automation. So let's run this program to see the output.
Good morning, sir. I am your assistant. Shang Kra.0. What should I call you, sir?
Hello assistant.
Welcome, Mr. Hello, assistant. How can I help you, sir?
Open Google.
Here you go to Google.
Thanks for watching.